Hey beauties, how are you? I hope you're fine. Ladies, welcome to my channel, Fashion Girly Hacks. This is me, Asya. Today I want to talk about something that has completely changed your life, and that is switching to a low maintenance lifestyle, starting with these hairs. That amazing freedom in low maintenance doesn't mean you don't care. It means you value your time while still looking sophisticated. The best part about our low maintenance pixie and other shortcut is how quickly you can get ready. No more spending hours blow drying and curling. With just a little bit of product, you can show your hair intricate layers of your cut. It is chic, it is bold, and it is perfect for someone who is always on the go. To keep looking fresh, you just do quick trim every few weeks. That's the secret of good craftsmanship. In here, a great cut does all the work for you. Whether I am wearing casual outfit and quick ready. So if you have been thinking about going short or choosing a low maintenance style, this is very sign it is liberating and so stylish. Thank you so much. You're watching my video, so don't forget to like this video if you love short hair vibes, and subscribe for more fashion and jewelry tips. Stay beautiful and stay stylish. Bye bye.